You have to walk through.
Yeah, you gotta walk.
So, we're starting. Basically, we're going to start with the whole symmetry thing. Nice. Actually, no, we're starting with that. The circle extended thing. I'm actually going to give it an explanation. Symmetry is, there we are. So, first off, we do this. You get your scale tool, you highlight the whole thing, get the scale tool, and this allows you to make oblong shapes. You can also press control and have it go from the center. That's fancy. Then you just type in however the scale you want it to, like 3. Now it's longer. Cool. Now the whole symmetry thing, which I've seen a lot of you have problems with. Basically, what you do is you have your whole shape, go from the direct top center to the direct bottom center, and if it's on axis, it makes life easier. Cut that. You erase half of it. You erase half of it, and then you make this entire thing a component. Doesn't matter the name, create it. Copy and paste it. Now it's over here. Get your scale tool again. Click on this little green node. Move it to the other side and type -1 so that it's backwards. And then you move it so that it's aligned with the point there, not just here. It'd be annoying. There we go. And now it's in line. This is what you want to do so that you can make it symmetric. You just edit this one side so that it copies over details to the other side, right over here. Okay. Now, we're at this stage, and now you can do a few things here. You can either just go with this and have this be your skateboard, or you couldn't, and that's boring. So what a lot of people have been doing, they're just having their line stick out this far, go up, but I don't know, there's a distance. And then what you can do is, because I know people have had problems with Ian's skateboard this way, just click this, make a circle. How wide is it down there? Let's just say 4 inches. Okay. And then you highlight just this area, not that center line, just this circle, or shift. Just that circle, take your scale tool, hold control, click in the center to make it a certain scale, or just click it from here, move it to that point, and it'll be the right length, whatever. So basically, now you're at this point. But it sticks out over here, so you're going to want to just erase this half. It won't look like it disappeared, but it does. There it is. There's that tail end. Now you can do one of 2 things. You can go from just here to here, draw just a line, and then you're done. Or you can Control Z that and do an arc. Not that type of arc. This type of arc. You have to go here, here, and sometimes it'll do the blue thing, which means it will do something different. But if that doesn't work and it's too light of an angle to make it for it to automatically detect for tangent, select the whole thing, if you scale to it again, S on some that doesn't work, it's that one. Click it here, make it an unknown size bigger, so like 4 times bigger. It's really wide, but now it'll detect tangency. You get here, sometimes, come on. Doesn't want to detect it, I don't know why. Just go from here. What the heck? Alright, whatever. Being annoying. But what will happen is that it will sometimes you do an arc. It'll show you the preview of the arc as a tangent. But yeah, that just doesn't appear to be working. So right now you can just make it kind of like here-ish, 3/4 of an inch. weird, but once you highlight all of this again, scale it. You just want to go 25%, because if you scale it outwards 4, you're going to want to scale it in 25%, so 0.25. Now it's the original shape. And then you can just erase this inside line, this inside line. And then you have basically Ian's skateboard. It's probably a little too long or not correct. But another thing that we wanted to show you is fishtail, and it's in essence the same thing as this. So you take your arc, or you measure out how deep you want it to be. You want it to be 4-inch tail from the back, so 4 inches in, like this point, and see there, that blue thing. That's the tangent line. That's the tangent arc. That'll show up every once in a while, and it automatically makes it tangent based on wherever your second point is. I don't know why it wasn't working before, but now it is. Say I want it to go like here. Click it, and then you can set your distance, or you can just keep it tangent. It looks like that. And then you erase your excess, and there's your fishtail. Doesn't look the best, but you can always just tweak the angle or the deep depth of this to make it from like, say, 1/2 inch instead of however far it was. No, right there. Very light depth, like 7/16. And you have your fishtail. And that's how that works. Is that good? Everyone understand that? Get all that, Tyler?
Yep.
Cool.
You get all that time one more time.
Oh, no.
I think that is all.
Oh, wait, what are the dimensions of the truck?
You can either find those on 3D Warehouse or just make rough estimates with cylinders and stuff. But basically, the only thing you need, unless you want to do like a divot off to the side, is just place them in the holes. You could also do something advanced where you just do that, put a circle off to the side. This is if you want to make a fancy looking wheel well, instead of just cutting out freehand. Make it look like this kind of thing. And you rotate it. This is like very advanced, but it doesn't really matter. Put that at like a 15-degree angle or whatever. And just move it. Big. Small one. And then put it like there. Ish. Just erase this. And you have weird looking things that make it look really sharp and whatever you want to do. Yeah, and you can just tweak with that if you want.
Is it brand new?
It's honestly just extra. It's not necessary at all. It's like it gives you a cool wheel well if you want it.
Very good. Hey, Tyler, can you zoom around and point the camera at Kevin? Just so, yeah. There you go. All right, let's give it up for Kevin and Tyler.